cost effectiveness. The Everex Edge, winning every major award in the industry, including PC Magazine's Editor's Choice, PC World's Best Buy, Personal Computing's Top Rated, and InfoWorld's Best in Class. An American company founded in 1983, Everex combines the best of Japanese, Chinese, and American business philosophies. Its exceptional growth and success has captured the imagination of experts, won the loyalty of satisfied customers around the world, and earned its reputation for innovation, product integrity, and long-term stability. In the next few minutes, we'll take you inside Everex to witness the leverage of these powerful resources. You'll see exactly how their excessive research and engineering, world-class manufacturing, innovative sales and marketing, uncompromising quality and customer service, and proven financial strength make Everex the total solution supplier to the PC industry. Innovation at Everex begins with its unique sales force, composed of over 400 highly trained professional telemarketers. These telemarketers are in daily telephone contact with a base of thousands of computer resellers, large and small, who ensure that every customer has a local computer professional for hands-on support. By limiting the number of expensive face-to-face sales calls, Everex can help hold down product prices and improve the level of personal attention and responsiveness to its customers. This daily contact with a vast network of value-added resellers keeps Everex in sync with real-time changes in the marketplace. And the open and informal atmosphere improves communication when time and responsiveness are critical to success. Wednesday afternoon, a value-added reseller calls on his Everex sales representative. He's counting on the Everex commitment to support value-added resellers and often to do the impossible. After months of working together on a multitude of complex needs, the reseller's largest Fortune 500 customer is ready to place a beta order of 150 units. If the beta machines work as planned, the customer will order thousands more on a continuing basis. However, there are two last-minute concerns: compatibility with a software application and delivery to the reseller by Saturday morning. Shipping the order within 2 days is critical for the reseller so he can install the customer's network over the weekend and avoid costly downtime. A call goes into the Everex Compatibility and Performance Testing Lab, where third-party equipment and software undergo rigorous compatibility and performance analysis. The lab draws from a complete archive of stock, custom, and third-party equipment, as well as software to assemble and duplicate any system, and to work with any industry standard. This cross-architectural expertise and responsibility gives Everex the strength of a general contractor. Even before this order was placed, Everex engineers worked with this major manufacturer and the value-added reseller to develop a custom BIOS and printer board. And like all Everex prototypes, they underwent a rigorous battery of tests for compatibility, reliability, manufacturability, clear documentation, and ease of use. Engineering drives Everex. Over 20% of the company's gross profits go to research and development. 15% of Everex employees are dedicated to R&D, far in excess of industry norms. Customers benefit from this excessive commitment to engineering through products that exceed user expectations, products that deliver the best quality and performance for their dollar, and customer service that guarantees complete product responsibility. Engineering and customer service are two reasons why major American companies such as Hallmark and Fluor Daniel prefer Everex. Whether supporting a multi-vendor environment or providing the components for a complete system, from servers and nodes to storage and backup, to video, telecommunications, and much more, the Everex commitment to enforce compatibility is an unconquerable edge. The manufacturer's custom BIOS and printer board checked out with the software. Now, the unique Everex approach to sales and marketing goes to work for the customer. The value-added reseller's customer is one of many supported by a dedicated Everex corporate sales team. They work together with resellers in functional areas such as service, support, finance, product design, configuration, and delivery. This high level of Everex support frees the value-added reseller to focus on specific and often complex customer needs. As you might expect with a first order, there were still some concerns. To address these issues, the Everex sales representative arranged a conference call with the reseller's customer. The Everex commitment to responsiveness allowed him to assemble key people from sales, manufacturing, and engineering in just minutes. In this instance, the customer wanted to install the network over the weekend to avoid disrupting productivity. In almost every case, including this one, products can be built to order and shipped within 2 business days. It's what they refer to as zero response time delivery. In many cases, the order is filled and shipped in 1 business day. But with so many custom products, just how is it possible? With shifting customer demand for the scores of Everex products, they refuse to wait for high-volume offshore manufacturing pipelines. Instead, Everex products are built largely by hand in Fremont, California. Parts are received, then inspected by quality assurance specialists, where they can pass directly to manufacturing. Since the customer's BIOS information was already loaded into the programming machine, the 150 custom BIOS chips were programmed in just seconds, and then sent on to second load where the motherboards are finished. At first glance, this human manufacturing system may seem old-fashioned for a technology company. Don't be fooled. This human approach spells flexibility. That means no delays for retooling of automated equipment or shifts in the assembly line. And it's Everex people whose pride of workmanship and commitment to customer satisfaction make this the best approach for quality, reliability, and zero response time delivery. After a quality control inspection of the second load, the parts undergo functional testing with the major subcomponents of the system. Functional testing occurs after each phase in the assembly process to ensure 100% quality and reliability. After passing functional testing, they move on to the first burn-in. It gets hot in here, a constant 115 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than any normal computer environment. Each system undergoes a 24-hour diagnostic evaluation. During this first burn-in, every machine is powered on and off between every diagnostic test. Under these severe conditions of extreme heat and continuous power checks, the machine's internal logic is stress-tested again and again. The systems are burned in fully loaded with all potential memory added, no matter what configuration the order calls for. Everything is pushed to the limit 1 full day. Thursday afternoon. After passing first burn-in, the machines are given a second and longer functional test, followed by another quality control inspection. The customer's 150-unit beta order is ready for mechanical assembly. The flexible assembly line is adjusted to meet these new production requirements. This inexpensive method of manufacturing produces an array of systems and peripherals which consistently rate high in performance and better fit market demands without using robotics or automated assembly. Everex's zero response time system eliminates the need for carrying large finished goods inventories, giving Everex and their customers an extra measure of liquidity. And each order is filled with new, freshly manufactured products, not months-old inventory from old stock. At the end of the assembly line, the finished machines are given a more complete functional testing. But testing doesn't end there. They go back for a second and final 24-hour burn-in. Excessive testing, diagnostics, quality control, and quality assurance means Everex customers get maximum reliability from the products they buy. It's Friday afternoon, and the customer's machines are ready for a final comprehensive functional test. Quality control, quality assurance, and complete diagnostic evaluation. This attention to quality and reliability is true for all Everex products. Special production runs like this customer's order would take weeks to complete for most manufacturers, even those who claim to be just in time. At Everex, zero response time compresses the cycle even further, so customers get what they need when they need it. It's one difference that leaves the competition in the warehouse gathering dust. Monday morning, the value-added reseller calls Everex from the installation site and reaches his client's dedicated technical support team. Everything went great, except for one problem discovered Saturday while installing the network and performing final on-site configuration tests. The issue is compatibility with third-party hardware. This value-added reseller knows that the Everex policy of providing a permanent central contact for important corporate customers guarantees immediate turnaround of technical issues. If issues cannot be resolved immediately, Everex will fly their dedicated technical support specialist to the customer's location. By interfacing with all Everex departments, as well as third-party suppliers, the customer's dedicated support team expedites the process. Step 1 is checking with the compatibility lab. Here, even the toughest compatibility issues get fast response. A clone of the customer's exact field configuration is often kept in the lab so that conditions at the customer's site can be duplicated instantly. Compatibility lab reports are fed directly into a shared database for the tech support team. This makes information available on a real-time basis and further complements the outstanding services already provided by Everex value-added resellers. Major corporate customers know that Everex guarantees fast response because they get special attention above and beyond the normal support channels. For every problem, there's a dedicated support specialist who's familiar with the customer's needs to make sure it's fixed. In addition to their in-house service facilities, Everex has developed an authorized service center program which makes factory equivalent repair and replacement available at dozens of reseller locations coast to coast. And each Everex computer is covered by an on-site service contract, which also includes all Everex peripherals installed in the system. Over-the-phone technical support and local service give Everex customers like these immediate response in the field, the same kind of excessive commitment to service that distinguishes Everex engineering and manufacturing quality. But solutions from Everex don't end with personal computers. Everything a user needs to expand or enhance his computing power is also available from Everex. These peripherals are designed with the same commitment to excellence in engineering that makes Everex the price-performance leader in personal computing systems. The cohesiveness, flexibility, and tenacity of a Chinese business. The horizontal integration and long-term perspective of a Japanese company. And the creativity, engineering excellence, and management expertise of an American firm give Everex an unconquerable edge on the competition, building total solutions for the PC market. Everex means ever for excellence.